This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing into your Google account and opening sites. Google.com, this gives you direct access to the editor. Click the plus to create a new site and decide template versus blank based on speed or control. Name the site and set the URL fragment so links are predictable. Once done, open the settings and set sharing defaults to who can view and edit. These first steps get you a live draft to iterate on immediately, which saves rework later. You now build the site structure by adding pages and nesting sections for logical flow. Use the Pages panel to create Home, About, Contact, and any subpages. This organizes navigation. Then use the Insert menu to add text boxes, image banners, drive files, and embedded content. This is where the site becomes useful. Apply a theme and set fonts and colors so your brand reads consistently across pages. Make sure to adjust header type and navigation placement for clarity and mobile friendliness. You finish by publishing. Choose a site address or connect a custom domain and click Publish. Review permissions so the right people can edit or view, and test every link plus mobile responsiveness to avoid user friction. Once published, update content regularly and use version history to restore prior work if needed. If something breaks, clear your browser cache and check shared assets in Drive. A final test visit on another device confirms the live experience is intact before you promote the site.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.